Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week's video is actually going to be a little collective haul. I've actually purchased these items over like the past few months, and for whatever the reason, I'm not really sure why I didn't want to just go ahead and just show them to you all like here on my YouTube channel. But anyways, you guys, today is going to be that day. I am going to go ahead and just show you a couple of the items that I have purchased. But before we can officially start this week's video, I just have to take the time to thank everyone. Thank you so much, you guys. The likes, the comments, you coming back for more. It is so greatly appreciated. But other than that, though, let's just go ahead and dive into this week's video of a collective haul. Okay, so I do have a total of 4 items that I do want to show you, which just simply like a variety of things. That's why it's called a collective haul. But the first item I would like to show you is from Amazon. It is this cute, or at least it's cute to me, but it is this cute Mickey Mouse watch. And I wish it would focus so you could see. Hang on, you guys. It is so cute. Super, super cute. And the leather band, this right here, the band rather, it is genuine leather. It even says it like on the back. Genuine leather. It is licensed through Disney. And I just thought this was so freaking cute. Mickey Mouse, for those of you that do not know, I love like Disney. I would like to go to Disney someday, but I could not resist this watch. And I love watches too. That's one thing about me. I love a good handbag and I love a watch. And I also love clothes too. I have, oh my gosh, just an obsession with just different clothing pieces. But that's another video for another day. But the watch, you guys, this was only $28 and the quality is so good. I was very shocked. It's just so good, you guys. And Mickey Mouse, like the hands, his little hands, they actually turn. I know you can't see them, but they turn to tell the time. It's super, super, super cute. And I like that it has like this gold like face as well. So freaking adorable. I love this. And then they also have like different leather bands too. I know they had a red one. I was so tempted to get the red one. I really, really was. But for whatever the reason, the red one cost a little bit more. I think it was like $31, which isn't bad. That's not bad at all, especially taken into consideration. I feel like this watch should be way much more than what it's being advertised as. I'm just saying. But yeah, you guys, they had like red, blue, black, obviously, and then they had like other designs as well. But yes, I love it because it's not like Disney all in your face, it's very subtle. And I said, well, I can wear a piece of Disney Mickey Mouse every day simply with a watch. But I love this, and I'll have it linked in my description box below if anyone is interested in purchasing. But moving right along, I love this next item. This is item number 2. It is this beautiful handbag. And like I said, you guys, I've had these items for a little while. For whatever the reason, I'm just not sure why I didn't want to show them. And I don't mean that in a way of like, a bragging type kind of way, but yeah, I just kind of just placed them away and, was just like, well, it'll just, be there. But anywho, this is a cute bag. It's definitely giving summer. It really, really, really is. I like this bag. It's simply stunning. I mean, if you wanted to, shoot, I feel like you could wear it all year round. I mean, I probably would. That's the thing, you guys. Life is too short, and I'm not trying to scare anyone, but why purchase an item for it to just sit in a closet or on a shelf? Wear it, you know? And I like this. It is so stunning. It's like I guess you could consider this as being like a clutch, and it's by Klein. I like that her, logo It's very subtle, like over to the side. But the quality of this is amazing, stunning. And the inside of it, pretty spacious. You have some card holders over here, or card slots, I should say, over here. And then you have like that back zipper pocket. And then I'm not sure if you can see it, but you probably can't. But I'll try to see if I can show you. But right here, do you see where it says Klein right there? So super cute. I know a lot of people don't like Klein. They say it's like for the older people, but I'm like, hey, I like older stuff. I like it. I'm gonna wear whatever I like. But this is so cute. And then an added bonus, it has feet. It's very rare that you find bags that have feet. And I did purchase this actually earlier this summer from Belk, Belk.com. I know a lot of people probably aren't familiar with Belk, and I've said this one too many times on my channel, but yeah, I'm not really sure, like where people are that are watching my content, like here in the United States or even outside of the United States. But if you are, from the southern area, more specifically like Alabama, one of our department stores is Belk. Belk, it reminds you of like Macy's. It's just a really, really good store where you can find just about anything for anyone in your family. It's kind of like a one-stop shop for the entire family. They even have like home decor, shoes, handbags, furniture, kitchenware, you name it. Clothes, like I said, for everyone in the family. But yes, I love Belk. My mom actually put me on to Belk years ago. We used to shop in there so often, like when I was a teenager. And even when I go back home from time to time, I will shop Belk. There's like two Belk department stores here where I'm currently residing. So yeah, but for whatever the reason, I never really go inside of our Belk. But anyways, this is what I mean by me rambling. Absolutely like this handbag. There was a strap that came with the bag to where you could actually, I think, yes, you could actually attach the strap to the inside of the bag. I guess, yeah. So the other one was like over here, these little keyholes right there. But I just, like I said, there's certain bags I feel like that are just not meant to be carried as a shoulder bag. But I mean, hey, versatility, spot on. I love a bag that has a lot of like versatility to it, but I definitely see myself carrying it more like this. It's stunning. Belk.com. They may still have it in stock. I'm not quite sure. If they do, of course, you already know I will have it listed and linked below in my description box. But I absolutely love this bag. And then also too, Anne Klein actually has her own website. So it may very well still be in stock on the website. I'm just saying. So moving right along, these last two items, this is item number 3, but they are placed in the same category per se. We have these cute, I call them my Barbie shoes. I mean, that pink is stunning. I love it. I mean, it's giving Barbie. It's a cute little low heel that has like that raffia material. Stunning. This is what I mean by pink. This pink is so cute. And I feel like these shoes paired with my mini Coach Rowan, I know they're two different shades of pink, so please don't come for me. But thinking of a monochromatic look, if we just, had an outfit with just different shades of pink, I feel like I could pull it off. I do. But yeah, you guys, enough with the Rowan, but the shoes. Let's get back into the shoes. Super, super cute. These were also purchased through Belk, but I actually bought these in store. And it's so funny. I was literally just saying a minute ago how I don't even visit the Belk department store here where I'm currently resigning. Well, forgive me, everyone. I lied. So I actually purchased these back at the beginning of July. Seems like it was around 4th of July weekend. They had a really good sale, but Belk always has good sales. Like any given day, you can go in there and probably leave coming out with a shopping bag, if not two. But yeah, these are super, super cute. Purchased these over 4th of July weekend. And I want to say I paid maybe like $30. I can't even remember, you guys. Like I said, it's a collective haul. So I was collecting these items, but I have worn these. They are very, very comfortable. And then you can also even like adjust up here, like adjust it to your liking. So I love these shoes. Super, super, super cute. Love these. And oh, they're by the brand New Directions, if you're familiar with that. I know it looks a little dirty. I promise you, my feet are clean. My feet are clean, you guys. The reason why it's like that is because, for whatever the reason, salesperson wanted to put the sticker for how much the shoe cost literally in the footbed. And I wish they had to just, put it like on the back of the shoe instead of on the inside. Not that it matters, but I mean, I can clearly see it. Not that it matters because, like I said, my foot is in it. But, anyways, and they did the same for this one too. But whatever. Super cute. I call these my Barbie shoes. I love them. They're absolutely stunning and comfortable, and I've received numerous compliments. So, if they do still have those shoes in stock, you already know I will have them listed and linked below in my description box. And they also came in another color. I want to say it was like an off beige white color. But anywho, you guys. Okay, so the last item that I wanted to show you are these cutesy Nike Vomero, and I hope I'm pronouncing it the right way, tennis shoes. These are so cute. I'm not really a big sneaker girl. I'm not. But these are stunning. I love the silver. It's like that metallic color. And look at the Nike swish. It's metallic, you guys. Metallic all the way around. These are so cute. They are so comfortable. I honestly think I like these shoes more than I like my Nike, not Nike. I'm sorry, you guys. More than I like my New Balance 9060s. I do like my New Balance 9060s. Let me just show them to you right quick. Hang on, you guys. Okay, so I've had these for a while. Super comfortable. These are my Nike. Why do I keep saying Nike? I think it's the N's, you guys. N for Nike, N for New Balance. These are my New Balance 90. Wait a minute. 9050s? Is it 9050 or 96? I want to say 9050. Anywho, you guys, I really do like these shoes. 9060. Duh, Sable. Literally, it's right here, you guys. I don't know why I was saying 9050, but I really do like these New Balances. New Balance 9060s. I've worn them a lot, but they still look like it's a brand new sneaker because I love taking care of my shoes. But comparing them side by side, the New Balance 9060s and the Nike Vomero 5s, oh my gosh, these are so comfortable. I feel like you don't even have to break these in, where I literally had to break these in. Still super comfortable, super on trend. I know a lot of people, I've seen them like out in public wear these shoes, and this is also like a unisex shoe, but the Nike Vomeros, oh my gosh. Don't say I didn't tell you. You need to try these out. I'm going to have them listed and linked below in my description box. They have so many different like styles. I was just lucky enough to get the ones that were like the metallic style, and I am so impressed. I cannot wait to wear those sneakers this fall, this winter, those sneakers with leggings, a cutesy sweatshirt, or like a skirt and a sweatshirt. And yes, I do wear skirts fall and winter here in Alabama. The weather, it's cool in the morning, warm in the day, and then cool at night again. So yeah, I wear my skirts and leggings, a nice pair of jeans, those shoes, super, super cute. But yeah, you guys, that is actually going to be a wrap for this week's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. And like I did mention before earlier, I will have everything that is still in stock listed and linked below in my description box. But other than that, though, please like, subscribe, comment, and until next week, bye.